eyebrows, if you have like really sparse eyebrows, um, or if you have thick eyebrows halfway through and then the other end is like really thin. So lately I've been loving these three products for my brows. So this is a really old powder that I had. I think I bought it from Sally's Beauty, and it has like 4 shades. Obviously you can see that I use this one the most. Then I have the it's a clear transparent mascara that I use as eyebrow gel. um Obviously you can find it at your local Walmart or Target. And then again, the NYX Fluff, what is it called? Fill and Fluff. And I'm using the shade Brunette. So you want to start brushing your eyebrows up so you can see what you have, what you're working with. I'm just gonna get closer so you guys can see really well. Taking my crayon, and then basically what you want to do is follow the lines. Excuse my nose is flaking. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, basically what you want to do is draw a line underneath your eyebrow, but you have to follow the line, the natural lines of your eyebrows. And don't be afraid to pull a little bit just to see exactly what you're working with. So you want to be really light-handed. You don't want to force it too much. And then you go to the top and try to close this by drawing the shape that you would like to have for your eyebrow. And then gently fill it in. Don't worry if it's not perfect. That's what concealer is for. Okay. And then we can start like really darkening it up. See, you can kind of see the shape of the brow already compared to this. Alright, so now you want to take that fluffing part and just fluff it right here. Okay, so now we have our canvas. Then we can go to the eyebrow gel. And just brush the hair up. And then once you start getting into the middle part, you brush the hair down. Oop, I put a little too much. But basically the eyebrow pencil is not dark enough for my brow. So sometimes what I would do, I would use a brow tint, or I would use something darker on the tail so that it can match the color of my eyebrows. But because I don't have a brow tint right now, I'm gonna use the powder to darken that area. I'm gonna use the darkest shade here. It's kind of like a dark brown pushing to black. It's not black, but it's not brown either. And then just start tapping. I don't want to sweep, I just want to tap to deposit the powder and fill in the gap. See, now it starts to look like something. Okay. And I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. The thing with brows is like, once you got it right, just leave it alone. Don't do too much with it because we're just gonna mess it up. Once you got it, leave it the hell alone. Okay. All right, so this is pretty much it. On a day where I don't want to wear makeup, I will just do my brows like this. Wear a little bit of what's it called, a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer, and that's it. But I'm gonna go in with this just so you can see. Now I'm gonna go in with this. Sorry, y'all. I'm changing my mind a lot. So with the concealer, I try to control it. Just go in with a little bit first, and then you can add on to it if you feel like it's not enough. But don't go in with too much concealer because then it's going to be hard to blend. Okay. That's what I try to do. Just saturate both ends. The trick with eyebrows, when you want to like clean it up, the trick is to lift it up a little bit so that you can see clearly exactly where you're putting the concealer in. And also it gives you a little bit of a lift, so even after you're done like cleaning it up, does that make sense? So even after you like clean it up, it still gives you that, like, you know, that eyebrow lift. All right, so I start right here at the arch. Okay. And then I move right here. See? Blend that in. This brush, I'm just going to use this to blend the concealer. I use my foundation shade just to clean up at the top. I'm not going to use the concealer because it's too light, and when it's going to be time to blend, then it's going to be a struggle. So for my foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 515. Okay, I love this foundation. I'm going in with the same brush. All right. So remember, a little bit, and then you can add on. So I start like that. And I go with really light strokes and really small strokes. I see a lot of people on Instagram just be like, you know, like this, which is great. More powers to them. But for people like me, we need to be really like careful. So just follow the outline of the brow. That's pretty much it. And then you can take it up. So now this is the time to really form the shape that you want. If you feel that when you were drawing the brow, you went a little too high or you didn't draw it like correctly, this will be the time to clean it up and to really like what should I say, create the shape that you want for your brows. I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm just gonna blend it and see what it looks like. So look at this side and look at this side. All right, so this is the finished look. Hope you like it. I did something really simple today. You know, just like a neutral colors on the lips and on the eyes, eyeliner, and like some teeny tiny lashes. Yeah, sometimes you don't have to do too much. Simplicity sometimes speaks louder than anything. But I hope you like this kind of videos. If you do, let me know in the comment. Drop some hearts in the comment so I can know that you like that kind of videos, those kind of videos, and I can do more of that. But I will see y'all later. Bye.